Hi, I'm Connie Ragen Green. I'm coming to you from the beach in Santa Barbara, and this is my dream destination where I'm able to work as often as I want to. You can see behind me that the sailboats and other boats, they're having some kind of a regatta. And I love hearing the ocean waves. Sometimes the surfers are here. The surfers today? No, because the surf isn't up, the surf is down, so the surfers aren't here. But the truth is, we can work from anywhere on planet Earth that we want to. Why? Because all we need is an internet connection, and you only need that when you're uploading or downloading something. When I'm doing my writing, somebody just pointed out to me, when I'm doing my writing, I don't need to be online at all. I can just type and save it on the computer. But this lifestyle is one that just has so much to offer. You can be anywhere you want to be. You are your own boss. You decide what to write, what to create, how to build and grow, who you'll connect with. And I would love to connect with you. Go to ConnieRagenGreen.com. Ragen is R-A-G-E-N. And find me on Twitter. I'm Connie Green on Twitter. Because you and I will connect. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing. Everything I bring out from behind the curtain. I don't hide anything that I'm doing. And once you see what I'm doing and hear my story about where I came from and how I learned to write and learned to market and learned to do the strategies for an online business, you might say, this is the life for me. So again, I'm Connie Ragen Green. I'd love to connect with you. And I want to know, what is your dream destination where you would like to work from?